super pumped today, having a great open house. You can see we got lots of people, we got tacos. If you didn't come, you're definitely missing out. I'm telling you, these tacos are delicious. So this is how we do open house. So we like to market it, we do social, we're online, we're print, we're knocking doors, we're doing it the old fashioned way, the new fashioned way. The taco setup is great, people love eating good food. We get to interact with them, everyone's casual, they're laughing, they're enjoying the house, they're seeing how they could live in it. And it's a great way to get everybody in the community involved, get all the buyers out here too, they love it. And this is how we do it, by the way, so if you need it, if you want help, if there's anything we can do to help you guys out, you know, this is how we take care of business, so thank you.